Yabanda sehlalani phansi ke sanhlalani phansi. You know, every time when I record a video about what's happening in city of Ekurhuleni, ndiye ndunganyelwe yi-wave of sadness. Sometimes it's anger, bantase. Sometimes it's anger. Ndingakwazi no record because ndiya realize bantase into nokubana what is happening in city of Ekurhuleni is deep and it is dangerous. It is deep and it is dangerous, bantase. Mamelan, let me take you guys back to 2023. Back in 2023, ndikhe ndathi kuni kukho igroup yamapolisa ase-EMPD engamasela. Ne? Back in 2023 ke bantase, la matutu avulelwa icase abanjwa. I think it was towards the end of 2022 actually. Avulelwa icase abanjwa. Ne? Uyakho Anokom was the main witness kulo case yabo because Uyakho Anokom was an informant, ne? And then esebenza nabo kakhulu, ne? So ebesazi into ezininzi Uyakho Anokom wayekhona nakule nto yaseBrakpan. Okay, fine, Mandas. So Uyakho Anokom was the main witness against them kulo case leyo. So lama polisa lawo ke ngokubantase anikezwa ibail, ne? Beginning of 2023 ke ngoku banikezwe ibail. After benikezwe ibail ngalamini baphuma ngayo bantase wabaswa Uyakho Anokom. Kwaphela ngaye. Waba kanti uchayile ushile lo mhlaba bantase ngo-2023. Ne? Ngoku uwitness D ungenile kuMadlanga Commission and gave ubungqina against the same mapolisa, and guess what? Bambasile naye izolo. So funeka sitheni as a country bantase? Kufuneka sitheni as a country if kwalapha kuthi kukho abantu abathi onomkhithi ba cute, kukho abantu abathi inkwali nonsense cute. Sinenze ntoni nina ke bachoyo? Sinenze ntoni? Because you guys are part of the problem. You guys are part of the problem. And ke ngoku bantase, it makes me angry. Like ndinomsindo because abantu guys ba dangerous and indaba sanozikhesa inqeni. Yava kule nto incinci endinibalisele yona apha ngoku from 2023 bana kwabaswa ingqina elikhulu kulo case leyo yango 2022. Diphinda ngoku ndithi kuni kubaswe elinye ingqina elikhulu and it's the same gang. Lobe nimhleka apha inkwali nonsense nimhleka nisithi amanzi kwathi hayi yena umhle awuyaxoka. Guys, ubungqina esibubonileyo kwiMadlanga Commission busixelela ba that is a dangerous man. That is a dangerous man. Akangomntu ohlekelwa. Akangomntu mandiyekele video. Yabona into nje edibene necity of Ekurhuleni iyandicapukisa like diveske.
People of South Africa, it is a morning. I'm sure many of you nizwile izolo the 5th of December, which was Friday izolo. Witness D from iMadlanga Commission was gunned down, was killed. Ubulelwe izolo East Rand eBrakpan. Okubuhlungu ngale story futhi ekubulaleni kwakhe. Ubulalwe allegedly phambi komndeni wakhe, phambi komfazi wakhe nengane zakhe. So this is so sad, and as I say, this is witness D from Madlanga Commission who was gunned down. Kubuhlungu, guys, and you ask yourself, all those who are implicated lapho kuMadlanga Commission, why by now bangaboshwanga? Why by now bangaga arrestwa? Why by now? You would ask yourself, abantu abafana nabo Shadrack Sibiya, why basase ngaphandle? Even the special law, special leave, usenzo mchunu, why angakaboshwa namanje? And even into yakasenzo mchunu, it is very clear that the guy is guilty. Okhombayo ukuthi guilty. That's why he even went as far as bone bonke abantu beza bazotestify. We never saw any of them beza nama advocate, beza nama lawyer lapha. But yena he went as far as going kuyolanda uThembeka, advocate Thembeka. So that itself tells you which Umjita is guilty. That itself tells you which abantu abafana nabo Julius Mkhwanazi, they are guilty. But you ask yourself, why all those people are not arrested? Why people abafana nabo Brown Mkhotsi by now they are not arrested? So guys, South Africa, it's a movie. Lokho esikubona kwenzeka ekuruleni Eastern, it is a movie. And it also shows ukuthi laba basiphethe ama leader wethu, they don't care. Because of if they cared, all those people who are implicated with all the evidence that is out there, that is proving ukuthi ba guilty kangakanani, by now you'd expect that they should be behind bars. Now the question we should be asking ourselves, how many more witnesses must die? How many more people who came eMadlanga Commission to testify against these people must die? You ask yourself, what is our president, the president of South Africa, is saying? Marabona zonke lezinto ezenzekayo. People are dying. There is evidence ekhombayo ukuthi zonke lezinto ezakhulunywa uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, like there was no lie kuzonke izinto azikhulumile. But then why abantu bangakaboshwa today? Because of there are people who have come, including the witness D oyeweza kuMadlanga Commission, okuzokhipha ubufakazi ukuthi these people they are corrupt to the core. So now you ask yourself, how many more people must die? How many more lives must be lost in the hands of these people? In the hands of these people ekuthi bebasebenza badla imali ama taxpayers.
Ayivale ekurulweni. Ayivalwe. Yeah. You can't be murdering witnesses from, especially from the commission of the Madlanga.
Evening, South Africa. Very disturbing news tonight. The witness D at Madlanga Commission was gunned down tonight in Pretoria. Mr. Marius van der Merwe killed by unknown people. He was the one exposed Julius Mkhwanazi, the Zama mines issues. We, as the Truth and Solidarity movement, we are very much concerned what's happening in the country. We can see the cartel, the mafia is leading the state. We can see the cartel mafia took over judiciary. The mafia, the killers right now running parties around the country. The mafia killers right now is holding a lot of ministry position in the country. We as Student Solidarity movement, we are very much disturbed about the mafia and cartel is taking people's lives just like this. Every single day over 30-40 people got murdered in Cape Flats. Genoeg is genoeg. Join the Truth and Solidarity movement. We will free South Africa from mafia.
Another whistleblower has fallen. We got to know him as Witness D when he testified anonymously at the Madlanga Commission. But he has a name, he has a family, and just like Babita Deokaran, he will never see his children grow up. His name is Marius Flam van der Merwe. He's a former EMPD member, and now he was currently the owner of security firm QRF Task Team. He was a key witness at the commission, and he was shot and unalived in Brenthurst in Brakpan. Van der Merwe was targeted in front of his wife and children. Just 3 weeks ago, he gave crucial evidence at the commission. His testimony implicated Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department, the SAPS, private security companies, and several civilians. He named many names, including suspended EMPD acting chief Julius Mkhwanazi. Van der Merwe was also believed to have recently been involved in shutting down illegal mining holes. at the Madlanga Commission. He testified that Mkhwanazi instructed him to dump a body in the Nigel Dam. Police are now looking for a white Nissan NP200 with a canopy which was seen leaving the area. But what do you think? Will the people who did this be found? And do you think other witnesses are safe? Let me know your thoughts in the
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgozo wasemzansi. People are really fuming emva kokuthi kudutshulwe kubulawe a witness D Itolo outside elikhaya lakhe uMarius van der Merwe, and balabaningi they are saying ukuthi beka witness I state witness but njani bangazange bamnike protection, angazange avikelwe. Bantu abaningi they are saying ukuthi South Africa nje imfailile, government yethu imfailile because kanjani kanjani. So people are just reacting to the story sakhe. It's so sad because Bamduble in front of his family, in front of his kids and wife, and bantu abaningi abakuthandzanga kakhulu lokho njengoba basho ukuthi kahle kahle si South Africa we are not angry enough. We are really not angry enough, and kuningi lekufihlwako kungani kubulawe a witness. So bantu abaningi they're just sending their condolences to his family. Bayasho ukuthi he died for his South Africa. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.